Alright guys, I think we got a triple pop. I've never got a triple pop on Crazy Chickens. See if it's right. Yep, I do. Triple poppage. Let me see if I can get this all in here. Alright, we'll see. 375 bet is max bet, so let's see if we can get something. One egg at a time. The boost adds $5 to the line you're in. Instant win will win what you got in there, and then obviously the jackpot symbol's up top. Okay, I like that. No more. You don't want to get too many eggs at once because you want the chances to reset here. The stuff up top won't reset your chances. Now too many, I want to get two at once, dang it. I need to get some instant wins though, I'll tell you that much. No more, dang it. I know I'm running out of spots. I haven't connected any insta hits. Insta win. Oh. Only got 4 spots for eggs, so max spins are probably maybe 3, 4, 5 spins is all I'm gonna have. Insta win. Okay. That's cool because that's 50 bucks. Now I really want that instant win right there. Instant win. Okay. Only got 1 spin left. That's trouble though. I really need to land an egg on the next one or get an instant win right here to make this very profitable. Please land an egg. Oh no. For a triple pop, I'm gonna say that's kind of disappointing on max bet. 200 bucks, it's kind of like mid-ish, I guess, for triple pop. Alright guys, I got the jackpot feature by itself. We'll see. I wish I had the other features with it, but... Get that lettuce would be awesome, or cabbage, or whatever it is. 500 bucks for the major. 516.8. Oh, too many balls at the same time. You want to do one at a time too, so you have more chances to get the awards. These awards here. Fill it all in, it's worth 5 grand. Yeah, I'm running out of real estate already, and I don't got any of those jackpots up top. All right. 2 more for 500 bucks. I have gotten that, but very difficult. Oh gosh, if I don't get an egg, I'm dead. Dead in the water if I don't get an egg. That's it. 45 bucks. Alright guys, got the jackpot feature up by itself. On Crazy Chickens. Not ideal, you want like usually double pop with it, but we'll see if I can get something. We want to kind of do like, you know, a couple spins, then land an egg, so we can get lots of opportunities to spell this stuff. We need 3 more of those to get $500 major. 2 more. 20 bucks, that helps. Something. I wish those reset your spins, they don't. So you kind of want to get a couple, get 1, get 3 more here. It gives you more opportunities for these things up here. You need 2 more cabbages. That's what I'm really looking for. All right, reset. Min ball. Bet at 375. The minimum bet should be 375. So lame. how they program these games. All right. Oh gosh, land something. Okay, reset. I got an $8 mini, something. Okay, got the minor. We want to see green for the major. I'll have to land another egg here. Egg. Land an egg. Land an egg. Oh no. Well, that's it. 75 bucks. Alright guys, we got a double pop. It was like that boom feature, like luck has arrived. So we'll see. Wish I would've got the boost with it, but we'll take 2. Now, if we can get a lot of like insta collects on once we get it built in, not yet. Come on, my leg. Don't die on me. Okay. Those are all min balls. I want to see min balls or mid eggs. Come on, land an egg. Uh-oh. He might be in trouble with this double pop here already, guys. If I don't get an egg, I'm screwed. Okay. Not getting any insta collects.
I know, I did.
That helps, but not if I don't get any. Got a mini. Not what I'm looking for. Only got 2 more spins left. Oh no. And I'm not landing any insta collect features. Okay. That helped a lot. It gets me another like 25 bucks. Plus a restart here so I can get some more of them hopefully. No, not ideal. At least I got it. 8 bucks. Come on, Insta. Give me an Insta here. One more away from the $500 major. Only 2 more spins to get it. Okay, reset. I don't know. I got the major earlier on this game. I don't know what the odds of doing it twice would be. Probably pretty low. Come on, major. Ah, it's not showing the major in there. Dang it. Okay. Last spin, Johnson. Well, that's all she wrote. It wasn't too bad. 166 bucks. Alright guys, I got that right away. I got the instant feature with a pretty big egg, so if I can get that collect on that a bunch, it'd be great. At least you get it to start out with. Well, it doesn't do no good there. It's like 300. I need it here. Okay, perfect. Nice. Oh, landing it where there's nothing is not good. It should like drop down and be like a egg and give you a free egg in there. Okay, nice. Nice. Landed there again would be fantastic. Nice. Come on, anything. Oh, nice. I get more chances. Yes. The instant feature was better when I had than the double pop I had. Come on, please give me one egg. Give me an egg. Oh, yes. I don't even care about the eggs I got right there. How much was this? 310 bucks, guys, on just the Insta feature. All right, Alright guys, I got the boost feature by itself, not ideal, but it's something on Crazy Chickens. I was hoping for a triple pop, but come on. Come on, boost. Boost. Okay. It's really cool when you have the instant collect with this feature. Come on, give me some boosts. Okay. Makes those like $20 each. Well, I mean, $10 each more, so 20 bucks more there. Come on, don't be done. Uh-oh. Okay, good. Makes those quite a bit bigger here. Come on, more of those. Okay. More chances for the boost eggs. Come on. Okay, nice. Oh. Wish it would have been where more eggs were at, but we'll take it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Can I land anything else? It might be all done. Okay, this is pretty good though. 128 bucks. Alright guys, jackpot feature by itself. We'll see. Kind of want like other features with this, the problem. I mean, when you get 5 of those, like, you know, it's like really hard to do. This is not going to happen, you know. It's like once every probably 100 times. 100 bonuses for that. Got 2 of them. Three. $8. Mini. Not looking for a mini, I'll tell you that, guys. No, come on. Alright, $25 ball helps a little bit. Filled all in is $5 grand. That's not happening. Alright, one more major. It's the most likely big thing that you can win on this game. One more is gonna give me a sweat for this. Like, not really much. It's probably not even in there. Oh, maybe it just shows it. I don't know if that's how this game works. That'd be so awesome. 2 more. Yeah, I just like to throw it. Oh, I got the major. Yay, $500, guys. That's cool. No, that's chicken, crazy chicken boats I've ever had. All kinds of noises going on here, and then I'll have one more sweat for $5 grand. All right, here we go. Oh, it's gonna do the buffalo. It's chickens, but we got the buffalo music. That's kind of cool animation. Alright. Can that pull that? Can that pull that right there? Come on, pop it. Ah, cute. Oh well. Pretty good bonus, guys. Oh, I got the $16 there too. So we got 641 bucks. All right, guys, we're back in instant feature. Hopefully we get some big eggs. Or any eggs. Okay. It's not very big, but it resets us. Alright, I got 10 bucks. And micro eggs. micro eggs again. Come on, look at some big $20, $30 ones in there. At least we got a couple instant features added in there. Come on. Uh-oh, I'm not liking how this... Okay. Alright, I've landed that $10 one a few times. Okay, it's not the best, but something. I wish that reset your spins, that'd be cool. It's not like you hit them back off. And oh, 30. Instant feature here. It was landing that all the time earlier. Now there's nowhere to be found over there. Come on, instant feature over there. Last spin. Egg, anything? Eh, how much? 138. Guys, instant feature by itself. We'll see. Last few bonuses haven't been that great. Kind of need a double or triple pop in this game to really win anything. Got the $15 again, something. Get some big eggs. Been him multiple times. Or just get anything. Anything? Okay. I need to get the instant feature. No, not there. No. Okay. That's even worse though. Ugh. The eggs are small. And I'm not re-landing that instant feature much. Osman Johnson. Oh, land it here, land on this guy. Alright, got some chances for the instant feature. Right in the middle, that wouldn't be bad. Even that's okay. Alright. Land in the middle. One time, middle. Give me an egg. No, that's it. Not too bad. $146. Alright guys, jackpot feature by itself. Not ideal without the other helpers. I don't know, we'll see. The idea behind this, you can spell this stuff up here, but there's not a lot of real estate to have enough time to get there. Especially for the major. You can get the other two. Minor 16, minis 8. One more of those for $500 would be awesome, but unlikely. This is what happens, you fill too many in and you don't get any more chances. 3 more for the major. 2 more for the minor. 2 more for the major. Gotta land something here though so we can keep going. Uh-oh. That's it. Shoot. $62. Alright guys, we got a luck has arrived. Oh, it's gonna be a hit. It's gonna be a a blackout of that? How much is that? Oh, not quite a blackout. Let's see how much it is. $122. Alright guys, got a bonus on Crazy Chickens. Got the instant win feature. I'm $114 in, so we'll see. You get the instant win, but it didn't have anything there. And the instant win here. $25 ball. So we want instant win right there. Come on, where's the instant win feature at? Too bad you can clear those out. Like hot pots. Well, we need to hit that instant win. There's $20. Alarm be going off here, guys. No clue what that's all about. Oh, I gotta get something. Last bit of Johnson. Oh, that's it. Oh, 103 bucks. Worry about this one. But what we want now is we want that insta feed right there at 30 bucks. And we want that to keep on coming back throughout the whole bonus. So every time I get that, it will pay me whatever the egg is. If you don't get that insta thing though, then it doesn't pay it. It pays it once, but you can get double paid on it. So the idea is to get really big eggs and then get the insta feature. And every time you get one egg, you'll get 3 more spins. So I need to get an egg now or this bonus will be done. Got an egg, and then I'll get $12.50. So that's how it works. It can be. All right, insta features. All right, that's good. Well, that wasn't too bad. How much? 168 bucks, pretty good.